Turn it on, we turn it out some more. I been going rock hard outside.
What's good, culture? It's your boy Franco. 4K Trey, Little Top, Slime, Big Top, 38 Baby, whatever you call this man, we're talking about NBA Youngboy today. With that being said, this man's been locked up since March 2021. So it's been around 6 to 8 months. A lot of social media outlets say like 400 and something days or make the days. It's only been around 6 to 8 months. With that being said, I checked out his album, 137,000 first week, no promotion, YouTube hold him. His fans really rally and support around him. Hustle 150,000 signed petitions on a website. And I don't even want to get started on the comments. This man is winning behind a jail cell. And I'm not on this man nuts or anything. I'm just saying the obvious. With that being said, academics posted that NBA Youngboy is having a court case next Friday. And of course, I had to do my research. So yeah, let's get started and subscribe. So this is the actual federal legal document online. And I know I've seen federal as hell, but hear me out, this is just for the video. You guys can actually search this up on your own free time. Also, side note, I am not a lawyer. I do not profess to be a lawyer in any way, shape, or form. Let's get started. So back in September, we all know NBA Youngboy, he got arrested because he was shooting a music video and he had hella tools in the music video. A neighbor saw, or someone living in that area, called the cops, police arrested him, he got out on bond. Case closed with that. Now, we find out later that the police are actually just building up a bigger case, and that's when we all saw on social media, never free again. They were just trying to hit this man with a bigger charge later down the road, which they did in March this year. Now, the information that's being circulated online is that in this court case next Friday, they're trying to throw away all the information from the original arrest, saying it was BS. He shouldn't have been searched in any way, shape, or form. Even though a neighbor said that they saw the group of people, which is NBA Youngboy's entourage, carrying guns in a music video. What I believe NBA Youngboy's lawyer is trying to do in this next court hearing is try to throw away all that evidence and try to throw away the whole case, essentially. And if it doesn't make sense from my mouth, I'm gonna let this dude explain it.
Hold a hearing this coming Monday to decide the motion made by NBA Youngboy's lawyers arguing that the cops violated his Fourth Amendment rights when they conducted an illegal search and seizure, and therefore all the charges against Youngboy should be thrown out. However, that hearing is not going to go forward this coming Monday. The judge has issued a continuance. A continuance doesn't sound like what it means. It sounds like the hearing happened and is being continued. No, a continuance in legal talk actually means that the hearing is being postponed. In this case, it's being postponed from Monday, October 18th to Friday, October 22nd. The reason why, the judge probably needed some more time to prepare and review everything that's been submitted. In terms of what can happen between now and the hearing, obviously the hearing can go forward and the judge can make a decision, perhaps throwing all the evidence out and letting Youngboy go, perhaps denying the motion and keeping him locked up. Other than that, prosecutors might look at their papers and say, this is a weak case for us, we're going to lose, let's make this guy a better offer. The defendants might look at it and say, hey, you know, this motion might not work out, and then we're stuck.
So if everything goes good, an NBA Youngboy lawyer finds a legal loophole through the Fourth Amendment, which is prohibition from illegal searches and seizures. NBA Youngboy has a lot of money, and in a court of law, if you pay a lawyer a lot of money, they're going to be a lot more invested into your money than someone who's just getting public assistance from the court helping them in the case. I'm just going to keep it a buck. And the lawyer, when this thing does go all over the news and court case, they're going to get public recognition and more lawyers are going to join on. So he's probably heavily invested into this court case, in my personal opinion. But the big problem is NBA Youngboy is still a felon. He wasn't even supposed to be around firearms in the first place. That's the thing I don't see how they're going to argue against. That's actually the case Louisiana is pressing against NBA Youngboy, that he is around or was in the vicinity of firearms, which he's not supposed to do. He loves those hoolies, man. He loves those hoolies. But what I believe the lawyer is going to argue is that even though the neighbor in that vicinity said that she saw a group of people, NBA Youngboy's entourage, with weapons, she didn't specifically say NBA Youngboy. I think that's what they're going to argue, in my personal opinion. And if they do, that's smart as hell. But like I said, I'm not a lawyer. And the guy before me, he is a lawyer, but he is not NBA Youngboy's lawyer. I just want to clear that up. A lot of people think that's NBA Youngboy's lawyer. He is not. He's just a dude who does lawyer stuff for workers. And he talks about NBA Youngboy's case. With that out the way, I actually want to show you guys some of NBA Youngboy's comments inside of the petition. It's just insane, man. So we are taking a glimpse inside the mind of an NBA Youngboy fan. I know there's not going to be a lot of mind to search inside, but bear with me. By the way, this is all jokes, by the way. Don't get butthurt. With that being said, look at this comment. Free my master, Youngboy. This is absolutely what I thought would be in these comments. Actually, no, I thought it was just going to be YB better in all these comments, even though the petition is for YB. With all that out the way, That's all I really gotta say about this video. I'm just gonna let the comments play. Your boy Franco's out. Free YB. He is very talented. I will say that he's a very talented individual, and I've been listening since 2016, 2017. I'm an NBA Youngboy fan, not a stan. Corrected. Deuces. Have a blessed day.